Okay, so I found something that I wasn't actually looking for, but what did it do? Well, it allowed me to free this up. And this is something I needed back here, and I was going to order one. And then as I was looking around, I found something that took the place of this. So now I put this back here. Yeah. Now, where do I want to put it? I want it on the back wall there. However, yeah, there's that dreaded however. If I put anything sticking out, I gotta worry about bumping into it. So I can either drill a hole right through the beam there, the stud, the carrying beam, or the carrying stud, or the whatever you want to call it, frame. And right about here, drill a hole, and then come through it. Drill a hole big enough for this. It's about 1.1 inches deep enough. Then go through it with maybe a 1/4 inch, so I can run the wire through it. Or do it in here maybe. Or, or, trying to think. I want to do it so it's not going to get in my way. It's going to be able to be easy access, but also not make an all-day project out of it. Just to get rid of it. And this was a long time ago. I don't even know. Yeah, I was here. We were here. So it's about 10, 12 years ago. Now, this has been just sitting there because I haven't been using it for anything because I don't want to just waste it. But you know what? I need it. I need it. Why am I hanging on to it? Because if I need it, right? Right. All right, I'm going to go to the drill press for a minute. Hold on. There we go. Just how to get that lock washer freed up a bit. All right, so now this one goes to there. This is ground. Ground, mouse, ground. You'd be better off just getting a bracket. Maybe. Yes, may do it. Let's see. Too big? Probably. Nope. Just right. Okay. Talk to yourself. Hello, self. Let's bring this up here. Okay. What a nice day. Today's Thursday. Darlene's working, so there's not much I can do right now. Because I don't want to start working on the front lawn. I gotta bring out more fill, but I can't do that in the stars here. Because the boys have to go into the kennel area. Well, I'm going back and forth. Now, yeah, I can put them there, but sometimes they try to escape. When that happens, we need somebody that's going to be there. So Darlene usually sits there and reads a book, and they stay calm. Now the other thing is the roof. Well, I don't like going on the roof unless there's somebody here. And there's no need for me to go on the roof at this point because I don't have the material. Oh, wait a minute here. What happened here? What happened here? Is that connected? Oh, did I screw up on this one? I may have. Hold on a minute, guys. We don't want to find out we got a bad connection here. Which we would have had. Yes, I'm glad I found it. A little too high. Well, I stopped the wire before I took it. And it was, you know, because I'm putting down the case and the wire. I had a case, I put the wire. That's the issue. I'm probably wrong. So I know my, well, that was on so far behind the water. There we are. You know, I'm not going to go on those, but that was a part of it. You know, things kind of relax. We got doing what you're doing. And that water takes all into it, almost some of this, I'll get to it. And then you forget. Those large connectors. I did find the end cap ones. Those too cheap. I think it was $1.99 for 200, and they were different sizes. So that worked out okay. However, I have that order on hold, but they are on the hold, so they are in the cart. They're in the cart. Ah, that cart. A couple of little washers, a couple of little washers with little hose. I need little washers with little hose. Because I don't want the contractor screws to go through the little washers. Through the little washers. I'm going to leave the bottom open on this so that I can screw up. Okay, I didn't. Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Get these up out of the way. There we go. Put that this way and this way. And hopefully we don't break anything. Okay. That right there. Right there. Let's see if I can just put 2 in instead of trying to drive in 3 or 4. Should be able to. There we go. There's one. One. Give it a little twist. A little too tight on that one, huh? Oh, I got carried away. There we go. Let's put one right here. Make sure there's no wires there in the way. Nope. One more check as we go in. Whoa, stop that. That I can take care of with a little something. A little something, you say? Yeah. Goes back there. Actually, I could probably tighten this one up a little bit more right there. Now that we got the bottom one in. But I'm not going to concern myself with that just yet. Oh, shithead. Come on, get in there. Do I have it? Needle nose. And I was in charge of the University of Bridgeport, well, for security. They were actually called at one point special police.